In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Westpac digital card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, you will be able to find information regarding the digital card on the Westpac website. So if you want to get more information of what it is, how it works, and how to use it, you can go to www.westpac.com.au, hover over Personal, and then select Ways to Pay from the drop-down menu. If you scroll down in the Ways to Pay page, you will be able to find the digital card. Click Find Out More under the digital card, and as you can see, you will be redirected to this page that has a summary of all the features of the digital card, how to manage the card, and how to use it properly. There are also a bunch of frequently asked questions if you need additional help. As you can see, all that you have to do in order to access the digital card is to select the Cards tab on the menu at the bottom of the latest version of the Westpac digital app. I highlighted the option on screen, so select the Cards option on the bottom menu and you will be able to find the digital cards. Set one up and you can manage it at any time inside of the latest version of the Westpac mobile app. You can download it through the Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Westpac digital card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.